I hope so.
Hello. Nice to meet you both. And who are you?
My name is Marina, and this is my mom, Svetlana.
And what do you do?
We train cats.
Cats?
Yes, cats.
Why? How many?
10 cats and 1 dog.
Wow.
Yeah.
That poor dog. Well, there's $1 million up for grabs and headlining Vegas, so good luck.
I hope you like.
Yep, they do what they want, those cats.
You have a cat?
I used to have a cat.
When I feel like it.
Come on now. Come on now.
Wow. You know, the thing is that we've seen a lot of these tricks done by dogs. I have never seen a cat do that.
Never.
Never. And the beauty of this show is that people come from all over the world to show us things we've never seen before, and you did that.
Thank you.
Mel, what do you think?
That was brilliant, brilliant, brilliant.
Heidi?
Obviously, I'm also very impressed. I used to have a cat, and even if I would call her name, she wouldn't even come inside of the house.
And she left, right? You don't have her anymore.
Well, she died. That's why I don't have her anymore. She was old.
Moving on. You know why that was so impressive? Because dogs want to please. Cats are like, make me. And they had sort of like catitude. I think there's a gap in the market for this. I feel with my dog sometimes, it's like I want to take them out to see a show, and this is a show I could take them to. Howie, yes or no?
Yes for me and for all the animals in attendance.
Thank you.
Mel?
I really want to see what those cats are going to do next. I want to give you a yes.
Thanks.
I want to see you again as well. Third yes?
Thank you.